Happy birthday. You got a snowstorm for your birthday.
Thank you. Wait, no thank you.
What do you mean? You don't want all this snow?
I do not want a snowstorm on my birthday.
Too late for that.